to the pre-training portal. I'm Kevin, one of the service managers here at Ricoma. First and foremost, congratulations on taking the step towards your goal, and more importantly, welcome to the Ricoma family. As part of our family, you're not in this alone. From here.
Hey y'all, so today I'm super excited about opening up my new embroidery machine. If you've been here for a while, you'll know that I have another single needle machine, but this one is a 10 needle machine from Ricoma, and I want to tell Ricoma thank you so much for providing me with this machine so that I can show y'all how amazing it is. All right, so we are going to get ready to unbox. I am following along with the pre-training video that Ricoma provides on their website prior to opening this up. It will help me to walk through all of the different stages of setting this machine up, and it seems super easy. So we are going to get started. In this box, we have the Ricoma EM-1010. We also have this package of accessories, and we also have the stand for this embroidery machine. I also went ahead and ordered the Mighty Hoops kit, so that should make hooping my items a little easier. We will see. I don't know. All right, so let's get started with unboxing. I've already gone through one of the pre-training videos, and I just need to get through a few more so that we can get this up and popping. Let's get started. Okay, so we're going to start with putting together the stand, and this is an optional piece that goes with the machine. I do recommend getting it. I actually love the stand. I find it easy and it's not really bulky, so it fits into place in a corner inside of my craft room. But you want to make sure that you have someone available to help you who will be able to bring your packages inside for you, because these are very heavy. Typically the delivery people will not bring it inside, so you do have to have somebody there to help you. I did not have anybody here to help me because Ricoma is located in Miami, which is maybe about 20 minutes away from me, and so the delivery person got here really quickly, and so he went ahead and helped me bring it inside. So thanks to him, because I'm really grateful for that. But this stand was super easy to put together. You want to make sure that you look at your pre-training videos prior to this step. So start looking at those pre-training videos as soon as you order, so you'll have an idea, because I actually had my pre-training videos playing as I was putting this together. But this did come with very good instructions. There are instructions on one of the boxes, and I'm going to show you all this later. But this stand is very easy to put together. It does have wheels that you can put, or casters that you put onto the bottom, but there are several other pieces that we are just going to put this together. My friend Fifi came by and she actually helped me put the stand together, and we actually lifted the machine and put it on top of the stand. And so since both of us were doing that, I did not get that recorded. But here is the embroidery box, and as you all see, there are step-by-step instructions for how to remove your new embroidery machine from the box. You want to definitely take note and look at that so that you can take out your machine safely, right? You don't want anything to happen to your new machine just because you're trying to take it out the box. Maybe you're excited like I was, but I did have to slow down and look at those instructions. So that's what I'm doing here, just making sure that I take it out correctly, because it can be a little intimidating removing this, or an item like this, for the very first time. All right, so I removed everything from the box, and now I am just removing the plastic bag from around it. What you all did not see, or what I did not get on camera, was me removing all of the other pieces that came with the embroidery machine, but you guys will see that soon. All right, so I'm just gonna go ahead and remove this plastic, and then once we are done removing this plastic from the machine, I am then going to place the machine on top of the stand, because I've already placed the stand in place and I have leveled the stand so that we can make sure that it is evenly on to the stand. All right, and that stand is nice and secure to the ground. All right, so this machine also came with a toolkit, and y'all, there's so many things in that toolbox that you will need. And here is the supply kit that we received from Madeira. And so here we have our thread, and we have some stabilizer for us to use. So if this is your first time ever using an embroidery machine, this starter kit will get you started so that you can kind of get an idea of what you are going to need. And also you'll need these supplies for when you get ready to do some of your test items for training. All right, so here I'm just going through everything that came along with it. There's tearaway stabilizer, there's cutaway stabilizer, and here are all of the threads by Madeira. All right, y'all, so we have our machine set up and we are getting ready to put everything together. And I am still following along with those pre-training videos, and you have to use those pre-training videos in order to even get the training from Ricoma. So it's important. So y'all, I put the spool holders together, and you want to make sure they included inside of this kit are like plastic knobs that you put on top of the spool holders. I ended up taking those off. They're very, very hard to get on or off, so I wouldn't really suggest using them. I don't know how necessary they are, but I don't really think that they are necessary because I have been using them without it. And I also have the smaller spools because, you know, I'm just starting, and these are the ones that I received from Madeira. And those spools cannot fit on top of that little plastic knob. When you see it, you'll know what I was talking about. But now I'm just placing these together, and you want to make sure you look at the pre-training so that you know exactly how your threads will be labeled or numbered. And you start numbering from that back right. So that back right thread is going to be number 1, and then you kind of go up, back. But you'll see in the pre-training video, the instructions are super, super detailed, okay? And so inside of the Madeira kits, we also had these items, and these are very helpful. But y'all, these colors are so pretty. Like these threads, the colors are amazing. And so I really love them, but I do recommend you putting certain colors together if you're going to be using them more. And so that's kind of what I did. And so now we're getting ready to place our bobbin inside of the arm, and that's where your bobbin is. And so they give you detailed instructions on how to set your bobbin up. And I'm just removing, there's a little bit of foam in there, and I'm just removing that foam. But I am just placing the bobbin inside, and y'all, it's super easy. You just wrap it around, make sure it goes clockwise. You have to twist it into the little pigtail. Y'all will see. I'm just giving you guys a quick overview of me setting up the machine because I want you all to know that it is super, super easy to set this machine up. I pretty much did this by myself, and this is honestly my very, very first time ever even laying eyes on a multi-needle machine. All right, so do not be scared if you are considering getting one of these machines. All right, so now I am threading the machine, and it comes with tools for you to be able to thread it. It does look intimidating at first, y'all, but you will fly through this with no problems. Just make sure that you pay attention to the pre-training videos. This is going to wrap up part 1 of this unboxing video, because for part 2 we will be headed to Ricoma so that we can get a tour and so that I can get the rest of my training. So you want to make sure that you follow all of the recommendations in the pre-training and don't skip ahead, because that could possibly void your warranty. So you don't want to do that. You want to follow their instructions and you want to wait. I know you're going to be super excited about getting your machine and getting it out and set up, and you just want to dive into it, but I can assure you that those trainings are necessary. So let me get ready so that we can head to Ricoma, and I am going to post part 2 of this unboxing so y'all can see just how amazing Ricoma is. All right, so that's going to be it for today, y'all. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Also, make sure to hit that subscribe button. In addition, head over to all of social media and find craftable things there as well. But that's it for today, y'all. Thank you all so much for watching, and see y'all in part 2.